Hello, so we just concluded the second week of October. So mari kita tengok, kita recap sikit. Apakah pergerakan Bitcoin and what can we expect for next week? Adakah kita akan sambung junam ke bawah or will we get a reversal? Right. So first things first, we're looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, 4 hour. So apa yang telah berlaku the last whole week, nampak dari Monday right here, kita junam je. Junam from about 28k. We reached the bottom about 26.5k. Alright. News, PPI and CPI caused price to push down even further. Okay. So what can we expect now? First things first, let's look at, mari kita tengok where has the liquidity been building up this past week. So if we open the liquidation heat map, this is for the past week. Kita boleh tengok a lot of liquidity has built up below here, right? Sebab banyak trader termasuk saya juga telah ambil long position dari bawah sini to try and catch a reversal trade or just to scalp, right? So we can see ada banyak liquidity sini. Kuning ni ialah liquidity tertinggi. Okay, so keep an eye on this. This is one of the confluence yang saya sedang tengok. Liquidity building up di bawah. Okay. Another thing yang we should pay attention to, if we look at Bitcoin CME chart, we have this CME gap dekat bawah sini. Ya, ini dari 28 September. CME gap at about 26.4 to 26.2k yang belum kena isi. And usually CME gap ni ada 65% chance yang dia akan, price akan kembali ke gap ni untuk isi balik. Right? So, ingat, liquidation a lot building up around 26.5, 26.4. Plus kita ada CME gap around 26.4. Okay, and if we look at the chart, let's look at the Bitcoin chart. We look at the Bitcoin chart, we have what looks like a double bottom here, equal lows di sini. Okay, kalau saya buka chart ni maybe lebih terang. This is the perpetual futures chart on Bybit. Kita ada dua equal low dekat bawah sini. So that is a level of liquidation, liquidity pool yang sangat-sangat menarik, right? So what I'm expecting for the next week, sebab saya pernah cerita sebelum ni, usually pada awal minggu we will get what is known as a false move, right? Harga akan buat pergerakan saya baru makan, akan buat satu pergerakan yang besar to collect some liquidity sebelum dia sambung kepada arah yang betul. So dia akan buat false move dulu at the start of the week. Usually we can see something like that. So what I'm expecting is we could see a move lower to down here. Harga mungkin akan collect liquidity dekat sini, which we saw here. There's a lot of liquidity down here. Plus we have that CME gap. So price mungkin akan isi CME gap tu all the way down to about 26.4k, maybe even lower. Mungkin dia akan sambung ke bawah sini juga before it creates a reversal pattern and dia sambung naik ke atas. So this is a level to keep an eye on if kalau anda nak ambil sebuah long trade, because I think this is a good level where we can expect a potential reversal. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. Just to recap, Bitcoin dominance, kita telah expect sebuah reversal at our fib level. Saya expect dari 51.5, but dia telah nampaknya macam dia sedang mula untuk reverse, yeah, in our golden pocket areas, 0.71, just above the golden pocket. So if we get a reversal of Bitcoin dominance, plus kalau Bitcoin collect liquidity and dia naik, that means what is going to happen? Kita ada Bitcoin dominance yang turun plus Bitcoin price yang sedang naik. So look at this, Bitcoin dominance going down, Bitcoin price going up, what happens to altcoins? Altcoins mungkin akan pump. Okay, so keep an eye on the Bitcoin levels yang kita telah mark tadi, 26.4, 26.2, around that area. Okay, and keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. Sebab kalau dua benda ni line up, satu naik satu turun, we could get an alt season. So anda boleh plan anda punya trading dari sini. Alright, so very interesting level for Bitcoin. Let's look at Litecoin. Currently my favorite altcoin to trade. Litecoin, same thing. More or less dia akan gerak sama, lebih kurang sama macam Bitcoin. So let's zoom in a bit, 4 hours. Again, saya telah ambil sebuah short dari sini sebab we are in a more bearish bias for now. But if I were to take a good short trade, I will wait for it to pump up to here. Yeah. If I were to look for a reversal, that means saya nak dia reverse balik ke atas, a proper reversal. I would like to look for a reversal trade down here. Maybe take this previous day low before I get a nice push to the upside. So I'm expecting kalau Bitcoin betul-betul junam pada awal minggu ni, dia collect liquidity dekat bawah, I hope that Litecoin will do the same thing. Maybe collect some liquidity from here, the previous day lows, before dia sambung naik. But for now, we are still in a bearish bias. So it's still valid kalau anda nak ambil sebuah short trade. Okay, look for these fib levels, look for these previous week high, previous week low. Level-level ni ialah level yang boleh menjadi resistance. Okay, and if kalau anda dapat resistance yang line up dengan other confluence, macam kalau ada RSI divergence, RSI overbought, Fibonacci levels, that could be a good confluence to take a short trade. Sebab bias kita memang masih short selagi kita belum dapat confirmation untuk reversal. Okay, so yeah, keep an eye on this level. I feel like this is a very important level for Bitcoin next week. And of course, keep an eye on our Bitcoin dominance. Yes, but it could be another short alt season next week. Okay, so just to recap, right now is the weekend, so mungkin tidak akan ada banyak volatility, just some sideways movement. Yeah, but if you're expecting a reversal trade, keep an eye on this 26k level. So just a quick update for Bitcoin, just to recap the week. By the way, Crypto Master Program sudah buka, the syllabus pun sudah lengkap. So siapa-siapa yang join Elite Circle, you guys bersedialah untuk siapkan Crypto Master Program ni. You guys akan dapat support juga dari Elite Circle ni. Ada saya dan ada member lain juga yang memang sudah expert traders lah, right? Mereka pun share mereka punya trades, mereka bagi signal, mereka bagi tips and all that. So there's a whole community for you to learn from in here, right? All the support you need ada dalam sini. Yeah, so if you guys nak join Elite Circle, dijemput masuk, link di bawah, and we'll see you in the next update on Monday next week. See you guys then.